Hello there. So how to connect your USB generic controller on your PC to play this awesome game, Devil May Cry. So for this one, you're gonna need this exact website. So go in here x360ce.com and this should be the landing page you should be seeing on your end. Once you're gonna be in here, click on this button, download for all games, wait for it to pop up, and then just paste it on your PC. Once that's done, go to your desktop as well, wait for it to finish. Perfect. It will be a zip file. Now this one right here, you need to extract it on your desktop. So I'm going to click on extract files here or extract here. And this is how it should look like. I can now delete that one. So with this control right here, this is the software that you need. And this should be inside the game itself. So let's just say that this is going to be Devil May Cry. Right click on that one. You need to open the file location. So to get in that one right there, just search it up. I'm going to type in NBA here, like so. So just open the game itself on the folder. And with this one, you're seeing the controller application earlier, right? Just paste this one right there, plug it in, drop and drop, and that should enable your controller generic on your game itself for Devil May Cry. And that should fix your problem.